Look at this, guys. This line is huge. Waiting in the line. But you know what? Even though it's a big line, it's kind of moving along. So that's good. This is what we bought. A bunch of pot and a pen. So chocolate nut. It's like a chocolate that's not a chocolate. Milk chocolate bar with hazelnut. Look at this, guys. But it's fake. Okay, I changed my mind. This is not chocolate nut, it's chocolate nut, which means nut, like a nut. Welcome to IKEA. The idea of simple, clean, efficient design, yet low prices. And it's a Swedish. This is IKEA in California. IKEA closes pretty early these days. I guess because of COVID. But anyway, you saw how crowded it was. Super crowded. Which is funny because malls are closed, but IKEA is open, and as you can tell, people are buying furniture. Why? Because they're spending more time at home. Obviously, they need more furniture. And we came here to a grocery store, and look what I found. Found some macaroons. Wait, strawberry, lychee, chocolate, pistachio, blueberry, Thai iced tea. Oh, so beautiful. Just came back from the store. This is what we got. Cookies, a portable gas stove, beef patties, more cookies, seaweed salad, ginger, dried mushrooms, okay, some green pears, macaroons, Japanese style baked sponge cake, meat, sesame oil, avocados, bunch of stuff.